discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Can I come in? Could you tell me real quick what you got first?
It's 4 Dead Game Audio Hurricane 15s on a single bass 15K this year.
Really?
We're going to be going to a second bass 15K soon.
Wow. Okay.
So, it's doing pretty well. It's doing to like 26 hertz. So that hasn't changed.
26?
Yeah.
Man, it's too low. What's your how much space is in your box?
It comes up to like 16.35.
Really?
Total.
Wow.
So it's a little bit small. And then it's just bass. Nothing's adjusted at all.
Wow. You happy with it?
Yeah. I like it.
What's your goals out of it?
I don't really know.
No?
I just like kind of. I like coming here just giving demos. And,
Yeah.
And it's cool because it's kind of cheap stuff. Like the amps are cheap. Like, and not to mention the base 15Ks.
Yeah.
They're so simple inside. Like
Yep.
you blow it up, I'm not even mad. I'm gonna take it home and fix it. I got like every part you can imagine.
Oh yeah. Awesome. Okay. Can I see the alternator?
Yeah, sure. CES 320.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of his system at the TDH show in Virginia in 2021, Team Deadly Hertz. I went ahead and put previous video link in the description. This was when he had the lower level subwoofers, the Dead Game, same subwoofer brand. Now he has the 1500 watt RMS subwoofers and a single 15,000 watt amp. I didn't get the actual battery specs, how much electrical battery bank he had, but it looked like he had 6 of the Group 31 AGM batteries. Don't know the brand on top of the head. And I'm pretty sure he has his base 15,000 watt amp wired at 1 ohm. Subwoofers were definitely getting pushed pretty hard in this system. If you notice, he has a driver port, so all that pressure was going on to the passenger, which was me getting the demo. Really solid 3-minute subflex demo you're going to see here. So I didn't see the exact specs, but I looked up online and Google showed me these were 1500 watt RMS subwoofers. So, and he has this on a 320 amp alt. I know it was a little hard to hear. There was copyright music playing outside the whole time I was getting interviewing of this system. And if you don't ever realize it shows, there's a lot of bass and stereo systems blaring the whole day, so it's hard to get quality content. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already, everybody, as well as subscribe for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the video. Pretty impressive bass demo he did.
Okay. Yeah, I love it here, man.
I mean
Wow. You happy with it?
Yeah, I like it.
What's your goals out of it?
I don't really know. I just like kind of. I like coming here just giving demos. And
Yeah. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem, man.
Awesome. Yes, sir. Woo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.